Hello, welcome to my channel, Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa, and today I'm going to walk you through how to remove your waterproof tabs from your press-ons. This video is specifically for my clients to show you how to remove the waterproof tabs that come in your order. You're going to need the wooden stick that came in your order, and you're going to need a small bowl with some warm water. You're going to soak your nails in the water for 10 minutes at least. After that 10 minutes, you're going to take that wooden stick and you're going to gently wiggle off the nails. You're going to take the residue from the tabs that's left over off the nail as well as your press-on nail. The press-ons are reusable, and you're going to continue doing this with each nail. If you're finding there's some resistance and it's difficult to wiggle the nail, just soak your hand in for a couple more minutes. And once you've done this with all your fingers, on one hand, you're going to do it with your other hand, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.